and welcome to Traraj Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing the topic hashing and digital signature and its application in digital signing. So let's see the other topic. What is hashing? Hashing uses an algorithm, also known as hashing function, which converts the original text to a fixed length value. So this is called a hash value. Each time the same text is hashed using the same algorithm, the same hash value is produced. That hash can then be used as an unique identifier of its associated data. Hashing is different to encryption in that it does not use keys and the hashed value cannot be decrypted back to the original. So different types of hash function. We have secure hash algorithm, which is a family of hash algorithm that works differently for each algorithm. So SH256, which provides a hash value which is 256 bit long. Let's see the other topic. What is digital signature? A digital signature is used to validate that the document has not been tampered with. A digital signature will always be unique to each person signing a document, much like one that's been handwritten. All digital signature uses an asymmetric key pair, the private and the public keys. Cryptography helps provide a layer of authentication so you can be certain regarding the origin, confidentiality, and integrity of your documents. Digital signing requires using a digital signing services. So we have two most popular apps, which are DocSign and AdopSign. Thank you.